So if you guys lose your self credit card, you guys should call them right away so that you guys can get a replacement and so that they can stop any transactions that may happen on your credit card. So just call self and tell them, hey, I need to get a replacement credit card. And then they should be able to help you with that process of getting a replacement credit card. Now, if you guys haven't seen that self credit card, that self credit card is actually here. And let's go ahead and look at their phone number too. This is that self Visa card here. You have to have your regular account with self first, and then you're able to get the self credit card. So you got to get their installment account, and then you're able to get their self Visa. So here's their installment accounts. You got to have at least $100 in your accounts. Now, if you need to contact them, you can go ahead and contact them right here. If you can see right here, their phone number is 877-883-0999, and they're available from 9 to 5 Monday through Friday. So please go ahead and call them and tell them, hey, I need to get a replacement card, and then they should be able to help you get your replacement card. But that is their phone number right there. But call them right away, because you just don't know. You just don't know. You don't want transactions to start building up on your account, so please go ahead and call them